It's the most wonderful time of the year. Christmas is almost here, and if you're looking to give gifts that are practical and have real value, preparedness items can be a perfect choice. Whether you're shopping for someone who's just getting started with prepping or an experienced prepper, there's something here for everyone. In today's video, we'll go over some great options for each type of person on your list, covering everything from thoughtful stocking stuffers to more advanced gear for seasoned preppers. Let's get started. This video is divided into 5 sections to help you find the perfect prepping gift. People who don't prep yet, people who do prep split into 2 sections, under $100 and over $100, prepping gifts for kids, and stocking stuffers. While we've categorized these items to make shopping easier, feel free to move them around based on what works best for the people on your list. In this first category, we have gifts for people who aren't prepping yet. These items are things anyone could use, but they also introduce a preparedness mindset. We'll look at practical gear that can help people start thinking about emergency preparedness. A portable solar charger is great for keeping phones or small devices powered during emergencies. It's lightweight, easy to use, and doesn't rely on electricity, making it a thoughtful gift for anyone. A power bank is essential for keeping devices charged during power outages or while traveling. Look for one with multiple USB ports to add extra versatility. An LED flashlight is a must-have tool for every home. It's bright, durable, and energy efficient. Look for a model with adjustable settings for added functionality. A hand crank radio with NOAA alerts is a reliable way to stay informed during disasters. It doesn't rely on batteries and can double as a power source for small devices. A portable water filter like a Sawyer Mini or Life Straw ensures clean drinking water in emergencies. It's compact, easy to use, and ideal for both outdoor adventures and disaster preparedness. Water purification tablets are an affordable backup for ensuring safe drinking water. These tablets are portable and easy to use when boiling or filtering isn't an option. A fire starter kit typically includes waterproof matches, a ferro rod, and fire cubes, making it simple to start a fire in any condition. A compact first aid kit provides the basics for treating minor injuries or illnesses. Look for a kit with bandages, antiseptic wipes, and basic medications. A personal hygiene kit, including items like soap, a toothbrush, and hand sanitizer, helps maintain cleanliness during emergencies or travel. Emergency candles are long-lasting and designed to burn safely indoors. They're perfect for providing reliable light during extended power outages. Long shelf-life snacks like energy bars are easy to store and provide a quick source of calories in an emergency. They're also a great way to introduce someone to the idea of food storage. This next section is for those who are already into prepping but may appreciate a few new tools or supplies. These gifts are budget-friendly and versatile, perfect for adding to an existing stockpile or upgrading their gear. A headlamp offers hands-free lighting, which is invaluable during emergencies, camping, or nighttime repairs. Look for one with adjustable white and red light settings. LED lanterns provide bright, efficient light for indoor and outdoor use. They're perfect for power outages or camping trips and can run on batteries or rechargeable power. A gas lantern is a reliable option for off-grid lighting, ideal for longer-term emergencies. Make sure to include a few extra gas canisters to keep it running. A rechargeable battery kit saves money and ensures you always have power for flashlights, radios, and other essential devices. Look for kits with multiple battery sizes for versatility. A tactical backpack provides ample storage, durability, and organization for preppers on the go. It's perfect for bug-out bags or weekend excursions. A door security bar adds an extra layer of protection to your home by reinforcing entry points. It's an affordable and practical upgrade for any prepper. A fireproof document bag keeps important paperwork, IDs, and small valuables safe from fire and water damage. It's a simple way to protect what matters most. Freeze-dried food packets are lightweight and easy to prepare, making them perfect for emergencies or camping trips. Just add water and they're ready to eat. A seed vault includes heirloom seeds for growing fruits and vegetables, allowing preppers to start a garden and become more self-sufficient. An indoor hydroponic garden lets preppers grow fresh produce year-round, even without outdoor space. It's a sustainable way to boost food self-sufficiency. A portable water container is essential for storing and transporting water. Collapsible designs save space when not in use. A camping cookware kit is great for cooking outdoors or during power outages. Look for lightweight, durable materials like stainless steel. A propane stove is a reliable cooking option that works well for emergencies or camping. Make sure to pair it with a few extra propane canisters. A butane stove offers a compact and lightweight alternative to propane stoves, making it ideal for smaller spaces or quick meals. A rocket stove is a highly efficient cooking device that uses small amounts of wood for fuel, perfect for off-grid scenarios. A multi-tool like a Leatherman or a Swiss Army knife combines several essential tools into one compact device. It's a must-have for every prepper. A pocket knife is a versatile and compact tool for cutting, carving, and other small tasks. Choose a durable, easy-to-maintain model. A collapsible shovel is compact and lightweight, ideal for digging fire pits, clearing debris, or building shelters. A mini fire extinguisher is compact enough to fit in a car or small space, yet powerful enough to handle small fires quickly. A warm sleeping bag is essential for staying comfortable during cold nights, whether outdoors or in an emergency shelter. Wool blankets retain heat even when wet, making them a versatile and reliable choice for warmth. An emergency poncho keeps you dry and protected from the elements. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to pack in any kit. Thermal socks provide extra warmth and comfort in cold weather, making them a great gift for preppers or campers. A first aid manual provides clear, step-by-step instructions for treating injuries and illnesses. It's a must-have resource for emergencies. Prepping and survival books offer valuable knowledge on topics like food storage, bushcraft, first aid, and emergency planning. A portable battery-powered fan provides much-needed ventilation during hot weather or stuffy conditions, especially during power outages. A Faraday bag protects electronic devices from electromagnetic pulses or solar flares, helping ensure critical equipment stays functional. They can also prevent car theft through remote starting. The Battery Daddy is an efficient and compact organizer that stores and protects up to 180 batteries of various sizes. It includes a built-in battery tester, helping preppers keep track of their power supply and avoid dead batteries in emergencies. A vacuum sealer is an essential tool for preppers looking to preserve food and extend its shelf life. By removing air from storage bags, it helps protect food from freezer burn and spoilage, making it ideal for long-term storage. A gravity water filter is a more portable option for filtering large amounts of water. It's ideal for both emergency use and camping trips. For those who are more advanced in their prepping journey, sometimes it takes a bigger investment to make a real difference. This category includes high quality and specialized items that experienced preppers will genuinely value and use. These are practical, impactful gifts that go beyond the basics. A solar generator provides renewable, reliable power during emergencies or off-grid living. It's perfect for powering essential devices like refrigerators, medical equipment, or communication tools. A gas generator is a powerhouse for backup electricity, capable of running large appliances during power outages. Look for a model with dual fuel options for added convenience. A Berkey water filter offers superior filtration for larger volumes of water, removing contaminants like bacteria and heavy metals. It's a staple for long-term water security. A bucket of emergency food provides a long-lasting supply of meals, ideal for building a prepper's food storage. Look for buckets with shelf lives of 20 to 25 years. A Geiger counter detects radiation levels, offering critical information during nuclear emergencies or contamination risk. It's a specialized tool for serious preppers. A parabolic solar cooker uses concentrated solar energy to cook meals without fuel. It's eco-friendly and highly efficient, making it a standout for off-grid cooking. A canner allows preppers to preserve food for long-term storage, ensuring a steady supply of meals. Pressure canners are especially useful for meats, soups, and vegetables. A propane heater provides reliable warmth in cold conditions. Whether indoors or outdoors, look for models with safety features like automatic shutoff. A durable weatherproof tent provides reliable shelter, making it a key piece of gear for outdoor survival or camping trips. They can also be used indoors if you experience a power outage during a winter storm. Night vision goggles provide enhanced visibility in low light or no light conditions. They're invaluable for security, hunting, or nighttime navigation. Gold coins are a timeless and tangible investment for financial preparedness. They hold value even in economic downturns and are easy to trade or store. Prepping doesn't have to be just for adults. There are plenty of ways to get kids involved in a fun and engaging way. In this section, we'll explore prepping-related gifts that kids can enjoy, from practical gear to educational items that introduce them to basic survival skills in a way that's exciting and accessible. A small, durable LED flashlight is great for teaching kids the importance of having a reliable light source. It's also fun for them to use during camping trips or power outages. Glow sticks are not just for entertainment. They're a safe and simple way to teach kids about emergency lighting in a way that feels like a game. A mini fishing kit introduces kids to basic survival skills while giving them a fun outdoor activity. It's a great way to combine learning and recreation. Compact binoculars are perfect for teaching kids about observation and navigation. They're also great for nature hikes and spotting wildlife. A slingshot is a great way to teach hand-eye coordination and precision. It can also introduce the basics of hunting or self-defense in a safe and controlled manner. A BB gun can help kids learn about firearm safety and responsibility in a supervised setting. It's a great introduction to basic marksmanship. A toy bow and arrow is another fun way to teach kids about aim and focus. It's safe and engaging, making it a fantastic gift for younger children. Age-appropriate prepping books can introduce kids to the concept of preparedness in a way that's easy to understand and apply. Survival Tips playing cards combine fun and education, offering quick survival tips in a format that's easy for kids to engage with. Some children's books can teach valuable life lessons. These include The Little Red Hen, a timeless story about hard work and preparation, and The Ant and the Grasshopper, which highlights the value of planning ahead and being resourceful. There's also Stone Soup, a great story about working together and making the most out of limited resources. If your child is a little older, you can go with something like Hatchet by Gary Paulson. It's a survival classic about adapting and thriving in the wilderness. And finally, we have stocking stuffers. These smaller, budget-friendly items may be compact, but they're far from insignificant. They're the kinds of things that might get overlooked, but can come in handy in any situation. Perfect for adding a little extra to the holidays without taking up too much space. Waterproof matches are a simple but essential tool for starting fires in wet conditions. They're small, lightweight, and easy to pack in any emergency kit. A keychain mini LED flashlight is a convenient way to always have a light source on hand. It's perfect for quick use in dark spaces or emergencies. An emergency whistle is a critical signaling device that can help someone call for help if they're lost or in danger. It's compact and lightweight, making it an easy addition to a stocking. A paracord survival bracelet isn't just fashionable, it can unravel into strong, durable cordage useful for tying, securing, or even building shelter in a pinch. A tactical pin is more than a riding tool. It's a self-defense option that can also break glass in emergencies. Its sleek design makes it an excellent stocking stuffer. Cable ties or zip ties are incredibly versatile for securing gear, making quick repairs, or organizing cordage and supplies. They're small, lightweight, and always useful. A mini first aid manual provides quick references for treating injuries. Its small size makes it easy to include in a stocking or emergency kit. A mini survival guide offers concise tips and strategies for navigating emergency situations. It's a practical and thoughtful gift for any prepper or outdoor enthusiast. Head warmers are a lifesaver in cold conditions, providing instant heat for hands, pockets, or gloves. They're a cozy and practical addition to any stocking. Silver coins are not only a thoughtful gift, but also a great way to introduce someone to financial preparedness. They hold intrinsic value and are easy to store or trade. Giving prepping gifts is a great way to encourage practical thinking and self-sufficiency, whether it's for beginners or the more experienced preppers in your life. I hope these ideas have sparked some inspiration for your holiday shopping. If you have any other great gift ideas, please share them in the comment section below and I will add them to the description. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Join the Texan Prepper community by hitting that subscribe button and leave us a comment down below. Keep an eye out every week for another video on emergency preparedness. Stay safe, keep prepping, and I'll see you on the next one.